Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Organized by Darci, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's presentation is part 7 of the 12-part series on home organization. Before we get started, however, I'd like to ask that you take 1 or 2 seconds and press that subscribe button below so you'll be notified when the new videos are uploaded. Let's get started. So today's video is on the Instapot. And as you recalled from last time, I mentioned that the Instapot I purchased in December or late November of last year. So I've used it many times and I just wanted to share with you the different features of this Instapot. It's a 6-quart Instant Pot. It came with a book, a manual, a small manual, and some different pieces as well. So the first thing that I shared with you last time is that the Instapot is, it's a rice cooker, it's a slow cooker, it's a pressure cooker. You're able to do yogurt, saute, just about anything with this one pot. So first, I've used it on several occasions since December, and I've used it to prepare soup, prepare different meat, beans, chili, chicken. I've used it to saute most of all. Almost every time I use it, I always have to saute whatever it is before, so that helps. I've used it as a rice cooker. I've never used it to prepare porridge. I've used it to steam vegetables, and I've not used it yet to do yogurt. So these are the different features of the Instapot. Now let's take a look at what it looks like inside. So this is the stainless steel pot that's inside, and that's the one you really have to use inside. So you cannot prepare anything with just the Instapot itself. It has to have the insert as well, so that you put in, and that's what you use to saute. Now it's really easy to do anything, and of course all the recipes are in the manual, and you can do your own recipes, of course, because the ones that I've done are recipes that I've made up, and so I plan to do a couple of those later on and show you the different things that I've prepared in here. One of the nice features of the Instapot here is this cover. So if you're preparing something and after you finish, while you're maybe trying to share the contents to the table or whatever, you can just put the cover on the side of the pot. So that's pretty convenient right there. Now this here, this little knob, one is the release and one part is for sealing. So this part is sealed, and here it's when you're ready to release when you're preparing something. So that pretty much is the Instapot. Like I said, it's very versatile. You can do the soup, the meat, the beans, the chicken. You can use it as a slow cook. You can use it as a pressure cooker. You can use it for yogurt. You can use it to prepare rice. Just about anything, and I have used it. I like it, and I suggest that everybody try and get one if you don't already have one. So again, if you like this video and you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, make your comments. I'd really love to hear if you purchased an Instant Pot and if you've used it and what are the features that you like and the benefit to you, of course. So again, thank you for stopping by, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Our next video next Sunday will be on cleaning and organizing our study office. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope you come back to watch that video again. There are 6 more weeks to go. We are just finished week 7, and then we'll do the big reveal on week 12 or 13. So again, thank you for stopping by, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.